Welcome to my physics class. Today's topic is acceleration. Actually student, we all are little bit familiar with acceleration, but do you know who first gave the idea of acceleration? It was the scientist Galileo who first gave the idea of acceleration. Next, we have to understand what is acceleration. So to get the clear idea about the acceleration, just look at the board. So student, here we can see a particle moves from point A to point D, and in this line AD we can observe different line segment AB, BC and CD, and in each line segment we can see velocity is changes. So in first segment velocity is 10 meter per second, and in second segment 20 meter per second, and in third segment velocity is 30 meter per second. That means velocity is variable in nature, and variable velocity is called non-uniform velocity. So student, acceleration is nothing but a changes in velocity with respect to time, and mathematically we can express here acceleration equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. We can also write here acceleration equal to change in velocity upon time, and the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square, and in CGS the unit is centimeter per second square. Now student, why we write second square? Why not only s? Student, we already know the formula of acceleration, change in velocity upon time. We also know the formula of velocity equal to distance upon time, and the SI unit of distance is meter and time is second. So in place of change in velocity we can write here meter per second, and in place of time we have to put here unit of time second. So after calculating we are getting here meter per second square, and the dimensional formula is here. Next, in case of a particle, if we observe the sign of acceleration and velocity is same, that means if they are both positive or both negative, then the body will accelerate. But in case of a particle, if we observe the opposite sign, that means if acceleration is positive and velocity is negative, then the body will return, and such type, then the body will return, and such type of acceleration is called negative acceleration. On the another hand, if a particle moves with variable velocity, then acceleration will be positive, and if particle moves with a diminishing velocity, then the acceleration will be negative, and such type of acceleration is called retarding acceleration. Next student, what is uniform acceleration? So if there are equal changes in velocity in equal interval of time, in case of a particle moving with a motion, it's called uniform acceleration. And in case of uniform acceleration, the average velocity is calculated by this formula u plus v upon t. Next student, if a body falls under the gravitational force of the earth, then such type of acceleration is called acceleration due to gravity, and the SI, and it is denoted by small letter g, and the SI unit of acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square, and in CGS 980 centimeter per second square.